I am LovelyKaur, student of Section 14, roll number 20MA20031. This is the first DIY assignment. The CAD software used is FreeCAD. The first object chosen by me is this flower vase. This flower vase is obtained using the loft feature. It basically consists of 4 2D figures. The first one is the circular base, then a hexagon at a certain height from the base, then again a circle which is also at a certain height from the base, then a square which acts as the opening of the flower vase. This is the final flower vase which I obtained using the loft feature by connecting all those 4 2D figures. Then I applied mesh design on this and obtained the mesh design of this flower vase and saved it as STL file. The second object chosen by me is this 3D figure which you can see on my screen. This 3D figure has been obtained using 3 cylinders on which I used union operation to obtain them as one part. Then I used a cube and a sphere and applied intersection operation on it so that I can get the intersected part of the both having the same center. Then I subtracted the union part, that is cylindrical part, from the intersection part to obtain this 3D figure which you can see on the screen. Then I used a mesh design to obtain the mesh form of it and saved it as an STL file. So let's move on. This is a Cura software which is used to slice off and to obtain the G-code which will be further used by 3D printer to carry out the process. This is the first object. You can see the dimensions at the corner of the screen. Let's customize the printing settings of it. The profile is set to draft. The speed is 60 mm per second. And the thickness is 0.2 mm. The temperatures are 200 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius respectively. And let's slice it off. The time will be taken by the printer is 46 minutes and the weight is 10 grams. Let's preview how the material will be filled by the printer. So one can see easily that first the surface is circular, then it changes to hexagon, then again to circular, then again to square. Now let's save the file. The format is .g-code and you can see the final file. So this is our second object, the 3D object, and the dimensions can be seen at the corner of the screen. Let's customize the print settings. The profile is set to draft. The speed is 60 mm per second. The temperatures are 200 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius respectively. The infill density is 10% and the thickness is 0.2 mm. Support and adhesion are taken. Let's slice it off. So you can see it takes exactly 1 hour to print it and the weight is 13 grams. Let's preview how the printer will fill the material in it. One can easily see the steps taken by printer to fill in the material. Let's save the file. The format will be as same .g-code. And you can see the final file. So thank you for watching.